Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Jennifer. This week we're going to be doing a flip cup pour. I haven't done a flip cup in a long time. For those of you who are just joining me for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those of you who've been here before, well, you know the routine. Welcome back. If you're interested in seeing what I'm gonna do, stick around. Okay guys, so like I said, this week we're gonna do a flip cup and I'm gonna be using the similar fall colors to what I used last week. I'll be using those, but I'm gonna include a couple of others. So I'm gonna add, this is, actually I think all of them except for one are arteza paints, and that is correct. So I'm not gonna say arteza before everything, I'll just specify when it's something different. But this is burnt sienna and sangria red. I have Mars orange. This is carmine red. Deep yellow. And this is CERAMACOAT and tangelo. Tangelo. Okay, so I'm gonna get started by layering my paints in my cup. I'm gonna do, what am I gonna start with? Let's start with some sangria red. So pour some of that at the bottom of the cup, followed by some Mars orange. I'm gonna cover it with some tangelo. It's not tangerine, it's not yellow, it's tangelo. I'm so corny, gosh. Anyway, go in with carmine red. Throw a little of this burnt sienna in there. And some of this deep yellow. A little bit more sangria. Some more tangelo. More of this red here. And some more deep yellow. Ah, jeez. What was I thinking? Okay. So we'll put a little more Mars orange on top. Well, not necessarily on top, but up here. This colors, I'm hoping they don't all turn to mud and hell. So, we'll see. All right. I think that should be about enough paint. And now the fun part. So now we take it and we flip it without making a complete goddamn mess. That's the tricky part. Oh, duh. Let's see if I can do this. Whoop. Did it. Holy shit, it's moving. All right. Okay guys, so this week's painting in these fall colors, I feel like the colors were a good choice. However, I also feel like they didn't necessarily choose each other this week. I love these colors. I am going to figure out how to make them play together better. Maybe I won't incorporate that burnt sienna. Burnt sienna came in here and took over. Little too much chocolate. So anyhow, that was this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're interested in my content, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!